This is my code to show you how I implemented everything. And I just shared last file because everything is included in this last file. So what we need to change is this tool part. So this is how I define tool. And I try to make this description part with sufficient explanation, because I wasn't sure the model can find the tool correctly. And also giving a detailed description is really helpful for the model to find this tool. So this is first part to retrieving smiles code using PubChemPy. Yeah, and I actually didn't do all of that by myself. I just get some help from Perplexity. So to get smiles code, we just need a name, and it should be string, and also the return value should be string as well because it's a smiles code. And I get using PubChemPy to get compound, and if the result is correct, if the retrieval was successful, then it returns the smiles code. And then there's a multiple retrieve values. Then I just take first one because normally the first one is the best match result, and second one is Lipinski rule of 5 checking code. So here check compliance with Lipinski rule of 5, and I in the previous video I keep saying that the agent should check compliance with Lipinski's rule of 5, and I said that because when I missed this term, actually model failed to find the tool. So that's why I was very specific to choose the word in the prompt. And I also gave a abbreviation here, which is also used when the model provides an answer. And I also give each step to check the Lipinski's rule of 5 in this comment, which was quite helpful. And also the input is smiles code, which is a string, and the output is a dictionary, because multiple values are given and the return values are a dictionary. That's why it's a dictionary. So I needed only just 2 tools and then bind the tools. And this is a system message I defined, and I just use this graph and get smiles code of Tylenol. This is the first prompt, and it finds the tool and then use the tool to get this smiles code, and then check compliance of Lipinski's rule of 5, and it gives an answer. Sure, I can help with that. Please provide the smiles code of the compound for which we need to check compliance with Lipinski's rule of 5. So at the moment, memory is not added. That's why it's saying I need a smiles code. So after memory saver was added, I asked the same. Okay, it finds the smiles code, and then check compliance of Lipinski's rule of 5, and previous conversation comes in, and using this smiles code, it runs the tool with this smiles code, and this is a return value, and so the answer, the model gives this answer. So this is actually, as we all know, checking Lipinski's rule of 5 is not really a difficult task. So simple model can do that too. So by providing the tool to the model, if the model is not really, low parameter models are not really performing well, but with this tool, available tools, the model answer quality is much improved.